Dear children, you know where to use articles. In this video, I will tell where to omit them, means not to use. Articles are not used with the names of single island, mountain or lake. For example, Mount Fujiyama is in Japan. Dal Lake in Srinagar is a beautiful tourist spot. Fujiyama is a mountain, Dal is a lake, and Japan and Srinagar are proper nouns, so we should not use articles before them. Articles are not used while naming the mode of transport. For example, we went to the airport by bus. And another example is we went from Mumbai to Pune by plane. Bus and plane are means of transport, so we should not use articles before them. Articles are not used before names of persons, cities, countries, and continents. For example, Lena works hard in class. Next, New York is a fascinating city. I have just told that proper noun does not take articles. Lena and New York both are proper nouns, so we should not write articles before them. Articles are not used before the names of sports. For example, how often do you play hockey in a week? Hockey is a name of game, so we should not write article before it. We cannot write a hockey. Next example, my friends play cricket every evening. Articles are not used before languages and subjects. For example, I find science an interesting subject. Number 2, I have to learn French before I go to study in France. Science is a subject and French is a language, and France is a proper noun, so we should not use articles here. We have learnt rules. Now let's do the book exercise. Now supply article if required, and if no article is required, put cross. Sentence 1. Are you coming to dash party next Saturday? Here specific party is talked about, so we will write the here. So sentence will be, are you coming to the party next Saturday? Sentence 2. Did you study dash mathematics last year? Children, you must know this. Mathematics is a subject, so it will not take any article. So write cross here. Sentence 3. My uncle has sailed to dash Mauritius. Mauritius is a name of country, so it will not take any article, so we will write cross. And the sentence will be, my uncle has sailed to Mauritius. Next sentence, that is dash unusual song. Now unusual gives a sound, so it will take an, and our sentence will be, that is an unusual song. Next sentence, I am in the orchestra where I play dash drums. Children, musical instruments take the before them, so the sentence will be, I am in the orchestra where I play the drums. Next, we will go to Mumbai by dash train. Dear children, quickly recall what I have just told. Yes, mode of transport does not take article. So the sentence will be, we will go to Mumbai by train. Second last sentence, We have a large field for dash football. Again, football is a name of game and it will not take article before it. So our sentence will be, we have a large field for football. Last sentence, she was wearing dash ugly dress when she met him. Now children, ugly gives a sound. So we will use an here and our sentence will be, she was wearing an ugly dress when she met him. Children, watch the video carefully for better understanding. Thank you.